Hi everybody, tonight I'll be showing you guys how to make some delicious barbecue ribs like this. Look at that. Very easy and quick to make using just a pan or a wok. Look at that. You got all the simple ingredients to make this delicious barbecue ribs over here. Okay, let's get to the recipe, guys. Okay guys, so now I place my ribs in this bowl. I'm going to be cleaning the ribs. So first I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of baking soda. This will help get rid of all the parasites and impurities from the ribs. I'm going to just pour in just a little bit of water so that the baking soda can dissolve. And we're just going to give this a quick mix. We're gonna give this a quick mix and let it set for about 15 minutes before we rinse this. We're gonna rinse this until clean and then we'll drain this up. Okay, it's time to pan fry our ribs. So first I'm gonna add in some olive oil to my hot pan over here. Give it a good rinse. Okay guys, so over here I have washed up my ribs and drained all the water. Now we're going to pan fry these ribs until it's golden brown. Okay, now that the ribs has turned color, we got a good sear. Now we're going to add in our sauces. So now I tune down the heat. First I'm going to drizzle some Chinese rice wine. I'm going to add in one little quarter slab of Chinese brown sugar. We'll drizzle a little bit of mushroom dark soy sauce. I'm going to add in half a bowl of light soy sauce. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oyster sauce. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of hoisin sauce. I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of char sauce, which is a Chinese barbecue sauce. If you don't have this, you can just use any barbecue sauce that you like. Okay, next here I got half a bowl of just water. Just gonna add this in as well. Okay, over here I got 3 cloves of garlic. Just add that in as well. Just pop this piece of brown sugar in the sauce as well so it can melt. Okay, that's it. Now I'm gonna cover it back with a lid. We're going to let this braise for 20 minutes. But after 10 minutes, we're going to flip the ribs around and then the last 10 minutes it should be ready. Then we can start to increase the heat to get the sauce thickened onto the ribs. Okay guys, after 10 minutes, let's mix the ribs around in the sauce. Okay, let's mix it around. Wow, look at that. Delicious barbecue ribs here. Okay, let's cover this back with a lid. And I'm cooking this on medium heat. Okay guys, check on our ribs. Okay, this is after 20 minutes. Let's give this a good stir. You can see that the sauce has thickened up. Look at that. Wow, this will be so delicious. If you guys added in too much sauce or water, you just need to increase the heat to thicken up the sauce afterwards. Look at that. Now everything's coated on these delicious barbecue ribs over here. Look how shiny it is. Wow. I now tune the heat to the lowest. As you can see, the sauce is already thickened very nicely. Okay guys, as you can see, the dish is ready. Wow. Wow, look at that. that. Delicious barbecue char siu ribs over here. Okay, this one's ready. Wow, let's plate these ribs here. Voila guys, look at that. So yummy. It's time for dinner.